Hello, this is EGK, and we are done with the other part of the event. So now we're on Plants Can Whisper. We're going to purchase a magic plant sim stump on a home lot. So we got to go into build mode. Outdoors activity. Okay, so go build mode. So I think we're going to learn about plant sims. Okay. Go outdoor activities. Where's the outdoor activities? Oh, activities and skills. And then outdoor activities. We need to get a plant. A stump. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the swing set. That's so pretty. A fairy home. Oh. Can't wait to show you guys how to do the, till we start doing the fairies. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Looking for the plant. Stump. Stumps that we can plant in. I've seen it before. Stump. There it is. The magic plant stump. So I'm going to put that. Uh-oh, I hopefully have some room where we can put it. Might have to get rid of the hot tub. Oh no. Oh no. That is a big spot. Now I have a big lot. Okay, so I guess we can get rid of the hot tub. I'm gonna put the hot tub in my household inventory. I just selected it and I pushed X. That's how I did that. Okay, let's see if I can put it there. Oh, I can't put it there. Darn it. I wonder if I can put it with her. I doubt it. That's the only place I could think of. I wonder if I put in... Dang it. I want it right there. I can't put it no place else. It's not going to fit right there. Because the house is too big. I don't know if it will fit right here if I get rid of this stuff. Oh, it might. Maybe. Maybe not, because it's going to still... No. Not search. How do we... I don't know. I gotta purchase it somehow. How am I supposed to purchase it if I can't place it? Okay. I'll figure this out and I'll let you know.